Hello, Benimusik speaking here. Locomotive Breath by the band Jethro Tull, by the album Aqualung by the band Jethro Tull from about the year 1969 by Benimusik version, and The Train Won't Stop. Going No Way to Slow Down by Benimusik. Raw Metal on November in the year 2024. During Benimusik's homeless journey in the year 2023-2024, Benimusik is officially forbidden. Benimusik is not allowed to have a girlfriend. Aqualung, as car motor by Jethro Tull by Benimusik, you see? Stop! Benimusik will soon play guitar here. Girls this way! Benimusik will soon play here guitar. Girls this way! Benimusik is not allowed to have a girlfriend. In the shuffle and madness, on the locomotive press, run the old-time loser, headed on to his death. He feels the piston scraping, steam breaking from his bro. Old Charlie stole the handle, and the train won't stop, going no way to slow down. On the shuffle and madness, on the locomotive press, around the old-time loser, headed on to his death.